Okay, Harley Davidson 1938 EL. This bike has not been started 5-6 years, so this will be a proof of life to see if we can get her fired. Nice, beautiful knucklehead. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm putting. Okay, that's the first run. A little rich. Dial in. Okay, we're going to fire again and see if I can put it in gear. Key on, half, timing, quarter, throttle. Okay, that was a little more proof of life. It goes through all 3 gears. The clutch works, and it's got 4 miles on it. It needs to be broken in correctly. This is not correct. So when it's on the road by the new owner, they can move it along. Absolutely beautiful bike. I took the high-speed jet in half a turn and now a full turn. So we're down to 4 turns out on the high-speed jet. It is marked. And she quieted down quite a bit, but it needs a little TLCs to fire it up. Okay, all good, no leaky leaks. See you later, bye.